What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a standard shift knob into your BMW. Now if you know anything about BMWs, you would know that they don't take normal threaded shift knobs. All their shift knobs you have to press on, and they don't really make many options to replace them. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now the way we're going to be solving that problem is with one of these. You can pick this up on Amazon, I don't know, for 10 bucks, something like that. And it's basically a threaded adapter that you can screw into your shift knob. Let me show you how you do this. Now as you can see, my shift knob, it's all loose and it's basically junk. Looks horrible. So I'm going to be replacing it. Now to get this off, it's really easy. Grab it, lift it right off. Yours might actually come off with some more persuasion, but mine's junk, so I'm going to toss it. Don't really need it. So now you're left with this. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to take your adapter that you pick up from Amazon, and as you can see on the bottom of it, you have a couple Allen key screws, which you're going to tighten. So what you do is you take it, put it right on. Then, take an Allen key. I don't really know what size it is. It's one of them. Not hard to figure out. And you start screwing them down. You make them tight. This is going to stop it from moving around. Now here you go. You tighten it. Make sure you get all three. You don't want this loose because it'll probably fall off with enough leverage, because this is cheap junk. The typical things you'd put on your clapped out BMW. So here you go. Make it tight. Plenty of leverage. Hopefully I don't strip these screws out. Should be fine. Alright. Now as you can see, the top of this has threads. So now you can put any normal shift knob you want. Alright, now what you do, take your shift knob. In this case I got my nice brand new Mishimoto. And what you do is you make sure you get the bottom piece, the thread adapter, to match the threads on this. Usually when you buy a shift knob, it comes with a couple of them. As you can see, I have 3 different ones. The one that's in here happened to be the one that fit. So all you do, you can be a monkey and do this. Stick it on, and you start screwing. Not rocket science, it's pretty simple. You just thread it right on. That's all there is to it. Alright, and there you have it. Shift knobs on. And that's all there is to it, guys. Super simple install. Shouldn't take more than a couple of minutes, and it can make a big change to how the interior of your car looks. Granted, you know, it's kind of ricey. This shift knob probably gonna burn my hand all summer, and whatever. It looks good. It has some weight. We'll probably feel a little better to change the gears in my car now, even though it sucks anyways because the bushings are all blown out. But yeah, there you have it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and more videos coming. Thank you guys for watching.